Why does your scanner show the P0350 engine code? What does it mean? P0350 is a diagnostic trouble code for ignition coil primary or secondary circuit malfunction. This engine code indicates that specifically the PCM has detected a malfunction in the circuit that controls the ignition coils. This code is generic, meaning it applies to all OBD-II equipped vehicles. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty ignition coils, wiring issues, PCM problems, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD-II equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Chevrolet, Toyota, Nissan, and others. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.